Oh boy, looks like a rain is coming. This is not like a rain, it's like a storm. Look at this cloud. Yay. Yes, the storm is coming. Look at this. Well, for the rendering it looks like nice, so I can cool down my computer a bit. Oh boy, it's starting. Oh my god. It's here. Holy shit. Holy mother of God. Oh god, that's... Holy moly. I tried to open it, the window. Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, that's the hello storm. I hope it won't kill my render. I cannot open the window. Oh my god. Oh look, we have got a quest. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, you can see the water in here when I try to open the window. My god. I was rendering, the PC is making here too hot. Okay. Is it end? Oof. Okay, I'm not gonna take a risk. I'm gonna close this. Okay, the second pace. We are here. Oh my god, look at this. Holy moly. You can see anything. It's like a car wash. This gonna make it float. Yes, it is. Well, it broke our trees. It's so sad. You can even see there is so bad things in the kids' garden. The broken. And Google says it's a sunny. I lied. Holy. This storm is very powerful. Look at this! Oh my god! The tree broken! Oh my god! The tree is the gunner! Oh my god! It's falling! And that's it. The sun is back. What goes? Holy moly, the tree is gone. You can see the pieces is everywhere. Okay, that's it, I guess. Also the roof on that building is gone. They trying to repair it, but now it's ouch. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel. It's helped our channel so much. You boosting our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Okay, more sun is come. Wow. It's a bit rainy. Yay. So much things happened in a so little time. I think it takes 20 minutes or something to disaster everything. Oh my god, what a storm. Thank you for watching. And last thing before you go, here's the disaster lastly in my garden. Oh my god. Make sure you subscribe our channel. Please help us if you press the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Be careful for these thunders. You don't want to in their ways. Oh, shit. That's a so disastrous moment for me. See you. Be safe.